Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm excited to share with you my recipe for homemade Cracker Barrel chocolate pecan pie. This pie is a decadent mix of classic pecan pie and rich dark chocolate. It's the perfect dessert for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any other holiday celebration. Make sure you are subscribed so you won't miss any recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need for the pie crust. You can definitely use a store-bought pie crust if you want. 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of cold butter cut into 1/2 inch cubes, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of ice water. Sift the flour, sugar, and salt together, then add the mixture to a food processor. Add the butter cubes to the food processor and process for about 30 seconds until the butter is the size of peas. Then add 3 tablespoons of ice water and process again. If the dough is too dry, add up to 1 more tablespoon of water, a teaspoon at a time. Place the pie dough on a sheet of plastic wrap and press it into a disc shape. Refrigerate the crust for at least 30 minutes. Lightly grease a 9-inch pie pan that is at least 2 inches deep. Remove the dough from the refrigerator and roll it out on a floured surface into a circle. Make sure you move the dough around and use a bench scraper when needed. Roll the dough until the circle is about 13 inches. Starting at one edge, roll the dough around the rolling pin and gently lay it over the prepared pan. Gently press the dough into the bottom and sides of the pan. Trim around the pie crust. Chill the pie shell in the freezer for 10 minutes. Next, gently press a fork all over the bottom of the pie crust. Then place parchment paper over the chilled pie crust and fill the crust with pie weights or dried beans. Bake the pie crust at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Remove the shell from the oven and allow it to cool while you prepare the filling. Here are the ingredients you'll need for the pecan pie filling. 6 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of dark corn syrup, 3 lightly whisked eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, and 2 cups of chopped pecans. Place the butter in a medium saucepan and melt over medium heat. When the butter is melted, add the sugar and stir. Remove the pan from the heat and gently whisk in the corn syrup, eggs, vanilla, and salt. Place the pie shell onto a rimmed baking sheet and sprinkle the chocolate chips evenly over the bottom of the crust. Next, spread the pecans over the chocolate. Pour the corn syrup mixture over the pecans and place the baking sheet into an oven to bake at 375 degrees for 50 to 60 minutes until the filling is set. Cover the edges of the crust with foil for the last 10 to 15 minutes so that it doesn't burn while the filling sets up. Allow the pie to cool completely before serving. Be sure to give this Cracker Barrel chocolate pecan pie recipe a try. It's seriously delicious. The full recipe will be in the description below, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. And don't forget, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more recipes. See you next time!